In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do paper trading on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Webull application through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign up to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So for me here, I'm just going to open my Webull application, as you should, of course, as I said, if you want to follow the tutorial steps, and that will actually be your home or your main screen. So I don't have here the full options because I'm not using it from the US, and I'm not even using the latest version, I guess. So for you, if you want to trade or how to trade with paper or how to paper trade, just open your account and log in, of course. Then you will have at the market option, you will have here an option called select paper trading on the app. So it's simply after you click on that, you can start trading with it. So Webull Paper Trading offers a virtual trading experience that lets you test your trading strategies, just as you would in a real life situation, but without risking a penny on an actual stock exchange. So you can use your free trading simulator to practice trading risk free, of course, and commission free as well. So of course, in this paper trade, you can just trade like normally and do whatever you want, but you will not lose anything and you will not gain anything. You will just practice your trading skills. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.